मुझे तो अभी शादी करनी है. As soon as school gets over, I will get engaged. As soon as university gets over, I will get married. As soon as I'm financially independent, I will have kids.
Varuna is back on the streets, and today we are in the heart of Majnu Ka Tina. So, what are the qualities that you like in your partner?
फिजिकली और मेंटली
लड़की हो चाहे
अच्छा, सांस लेती हुई जिंदा लड़की हो. What are your thoughts on splitting the bill?
If you're super duper rich, then you can pay the bills, but I don't mind paying the bills either.
if she wants to she can. लाइफ का अल्टीमेट गोल तो यही है कि I have to provide.
You might think we are here for momos, tempting, but no. We are here for something even spicier. Gen Z's take on love and marriage. The biggest red flag you see out there in the market. What?
Guy friends, a lot of guy friends. That's
Why?
a red
Why
flag.
is that?
No, the more she is with guy friends, the more she have options.
So you think 30 would be the right age to marry?
30 I would start looking because like men develop late.
जुगनी चढ़दी ਏ शिकार
What commitment look like for Gen Z people? Is it like a concept or like a serious thing? Let's go and find out. Hi guys, how old are you?
I'm 24. Likewise, I'm 24.
I'm 19. I am also 19.
19.
Wendy.
You all are single?
Yeah. Yes.
Oh,
I'm single. Happily single.
I am
you're in a relationship?
Currently, I'm in a relationship.
In a relationship,
I'm in a relationship. Ooh, okay. So what are the qualities that you like in your partner?
I love every single little thing about him.
perfect है.
वो perfect है. क्यों?
मतलब अच्छी है, स्मार्ट है, सुंदर है, केयरिंग है, अमीर है.
Amir.
He is extremely patient, he is extremely respectful, and he does not overthink as much as I do. So it's like we have the right balance.
First of all, I love that he goes to the gym. Second of all, he is the sweetest guy you will ever meet, but only for me.
Oh.
With others, he's not very sweet, and I
Oh.
love that. But he's still kind.
So do you have or like looking for some qualities for your future partner?
Physically or mentally?
Somebody who's dedicated, somebody who's passionate about his career, and is clear with his mindset what he wants and what he doesn't want.
Yeah, actually, what he's looking for in life.
I am a very over analytic person in general. So I want someone who is able to actually understand what I'm talking about.
Like so basically match
Like
your
I throw
overthinking.
intellect, he throws intellect back. Smartness.
Oh.
Yeah.
Should be loyal and should be able to take my tantrums.
Handle your tantrums.
Yes, yes,
What
yes.
tantrums you have?
I mean, I want attention. I want her to take care of me and all those things.
Oh, what if she has some tantrums?
Yeah, I can also take tantrums. I have no problem in that. Yeah.
Okay.
लड़की हो चाहे
अच्छा, सांस लेती हुई जिंदा लड़की हो.
I would prefer someone who is a self-made man, of course.
Oh, we love self-made man.
Yeah, and tall.
Tall.
Yeah, I like tall guys. Even though we are short, but we are looking for a tall guy.
I either like tall girls
Oh,
or petite ones.
petite?
Yeah. It should be a boy.
It should be a boy. मतलब?
लड़का होना चाहिए.
He's
Oh. Sorry, I was like, what? I'm like asking about the qualities that you're looking. Maybe in a boy or whatever.
Loyalty.
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 Of course.
Loyalty to
and loyalty inside my DNA. So, what is the biggest red flag in a relationship or in a guy?
Football guys.
So basically,
Yes, football guys.
Why
Yeah.
is that?
They have too much anger issues. Like they do not.
Oh,
they-
athlete energy.
yeah. We should not have female friends. No, मतलब female best friends.
having a lot of friends.
What?
Guy friends, a lot of guy friends. That's a
Why?
red
Why
flag.
is that?
No, the more she is with guy friends, the more she have options.
लड़की हो चाहे कुछ नहीं.
the guy who does a lot of clubbing is a
Oh.
biggest red flag because they are like into a lot of hookups.
Well, that might be a stereotype in my case because I'm fine with partying and till the time you're partying with me, if I'm your girl.
Yeah. I think not making an effort and not giving time. if your partner is not even doing that, knowing that you need that,
Yeah.
I think it's a red flag.
Aggressive नहीं होनी चाहिए बस.
Aggressive as
मतलब
in?
in a passive aggressive.
Like you are saying that you are about to get into this whole Delhi dating scene. So what's your plan?
Until now, I've been using dating apps. Bangalore, mein the dating app scene is actually very good, but Delhi, mein it's little messy. Other than that, I've told my friends that you find someone if you know they want serious relationship, then only tell me. Otherwise, drop it. नहीं तो short term के लिए मिल जाएगा.
Obviously.
But I want serious, so
So basically dating apps is
dating
the-
apps and other people.
These are Delhi boys. पूरे टाइम घुमाते रहते बैंगलोर चलते हैं.
Majorly, right? Social media, Instagram, and all of these apps.
Dating
apps. I did try some dating apps, but it didn't end up. We didn't end up meeting.
So do you think you can find like a long-term relationship through dating apps?
Like there is a rare chance, but you can. You can.
Oh, all
Because there are like all type of people on every social media
Because
platform.
we've seen people who got married through social media
Yeah,
platforms.
exactly. Even I have
So,
seen.
we still have hope.
we still have hopes.
Yeah.
Hopes are
Are you taking?
me? Yeah, I am. But I am the one interviewing you guys. So, what are your thoughts on splitting the bill?
If she wants to, she can. But पहला instinct होना चाहिए कि हाँ मैं दे रहा हूँ.
You have to only pay.
I should be the one, or the male should be the one who should be paying the first time at least.
If you're super duper rich, then you can pay the bills, but I don't mind paying the bills either. See, I want him to be super rich, but if he's not, it's okay. I will also work, and then together we will be super rich. But if we're not, then also it's okay. As long as we're together in any situation, any financial situation, I'm fine. As long as we're together.
So, you can also just come in because you are in a relationship. So, what would be your advice to single people out there? Start, man. You can start.
Be honest with your partner.
Be honest. It's important.
That's the first thing you get.
First, single people, I'd say don't rush it, because I found a relationship when I wasn't looking for one, and I think it was the best thing ever. I have never been on dating apps.
No?
Yeah, no.
Okay.
So I think just give it time. I think the universe has something in store for you.
You don't have to pretend a certain way to.
कि I'm like this, मैं ऐसा हूँ कि मेरे को पसंद कर.
And for people in LDR, communicate. Just communicate and understand each other. There are going to be times where you're angry at each other, but even so, communicate that and let the other person know that you still love them. I think the biggest mistake we make in fights is just shutting each other out or ignoring each other out of your own ego. So if you're in LDR, set the ego aside. Honestly, it's not power game or anything. Yeah, it's not worth it.
जैसा है वैसा ही ठीक है. ये नहीं है ज़्यादा macho man नहीं बनो.
My advice to single people would be to not settle for less, because I know when you're single and other people around you are in a relationship, it might seem like मुझे भी चाहिए, but don't settle for bad relationships, for bad people. Yeah.
Stay single, don't be desperate for it, and get into it until you don't find it. Stay single.
Okay. I know. It's okay. So, any thoughts on marriage?
मुझे तो अभी शादी करनी है.
अभी शादी करनी है.
I've decided everything. As soon as school gets over, I will get engaged. As soon as university gets over, I will get married. As soon as I'm financially independent, I will have kids.
I think marriage is a good thing when you both have settled down in most spheres of life, especially mentally and emotionally.
Okay.
And financially, because yes, you can get over with the wedding, but the marriage part is so much more than just the wedding ceremony that we all are focused on. Because a lot of women right nowadays say, oh, I just want to get married for the lehenga outfit
or for the
jewelry.
concept.
Yeah, for the vibes, aesthetics. But it's after that 10 साल फिर तुम क्या करोगे उसके साथ?
Like शादी हो गई, then what?
So my ideal age would be after 30.
So you think 30 would be the right age to marry?
30 I would start looking, because the whole men develop late. We all can agree on
they
that.
have
Emotionally,
that, okay.
they are slow.
They
to
develop their prefrontal cortex.
thoda sa
late.
slowly.
Yeah.
So 30 is the prime age. Then you start. Then you'll find the good ones.
Would you go for love marriage, arranged marriage?
Oh, definitely love marriage. Arranged marriage नहीं.
क्यों? Why?
मेरे parents की arranged marriage है. हम everyday लड़ाई होती रहती है. वो so
तो नहीं.
arranged marriage है big one.
तो love marriage के बाद लड़ाई नहीं होगी?
नहीं, but control में भी होएगी ना.
Okay, what about you?
मेरा भी love marriage है क्योंकि gay arranged marriage तो मुझे
Oh
नहीं लगता.
yeah.
Because arranged marriage is a very big thing, and getting an arranged marriage without knowing that person very well, and you get married, and then later on you come to know about this, that, and then it would be a problem.
My perception has been changed today. I think they are very sorted, and I think there's so much to learn from Gen Z. Thank you so much for watching Love in the City. Make sure to hit subscribe, like the video, share with your friends. Bye bye.